What's up? We just got back to Baltimore, where we're going to be doing the build this summer. We're at my aunt and uncle's house. They have a nice big yard for us to park this beast in. Albert is working on the VW engine, getting that back up and running. And while he does that, I am in here, and today I'm going to be taking all this wood. So when we bought the bus, the guy we bought it from had already done all of this. The problem is, first of all, this is not what our layout is going to be like at all. And also, the way that they did it makes not a lot of sense. So this metal here can all come out. So this insulation can actually go inside this wall. So you're gaining, a good amount of space on both sides. Every inch counts in a tiny house. So we want to get everything out of here and have a fresh slate. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple hours.
Sydney does the initial demolition. I'm gonna take the scraps and I am gonna make some workbenches and some other useful things for the build.
So I just finished getting all of the furniture framing that the previous guy had in here. Albert made us a lovely little work table out of it. And now I am going to work on taking the walls down. Still pretty early, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing up the floor.
I'm gonna be cutting rivets on the bus, so this should be tons of fun. So there's the bus. What we have to do is cut off each individual one of these rivets, and how we're going to do this is just with a hammer and a chisel. And the reason we want to do this is because in these school buses there's two panels. So there's the outside panel and then there's the inside panel, and we want to remove the inside panel so that we can access all of the framing and components of the inside of the bus, so that we can build our structures off of and put our insulation into the wall. This will also let us see what's behind these walls and eradicate some rust. We definitely have some rust in here. I know the camera makes it look like the floor is super rusty, but it's actually really solid. A lot of this is just surface rust. And we're gonna take care of all of this as well. I'm gonna set the camera up and put it in time lapse, and I'm just gonna start cutting rivets. So this should be a fun day. So cutting rivets is bullshit with chisel. I ultimately broke the chisel. So what we've got instead is a grinder and a 1S extension cord. So screw rivet. I've been grinding for a while and my disc is gone because I grinded so much, but I feel like I accomplished nothing as I've only taken off this one panel and I still got the whole bus to go. So about one wheel per panel. It's gonna be a long process. Gonna have to go to Lowe's and buy like 8 more wheels. All right. So the grinding disc I was using yesterday was a really thin one, and I was only able to get that one panel off that's right there behind me. So I still have like the whole bus to do of cutting rivets. So I went to Lowe's. I bought these. These are some thick grinding pads, grinding wheels. But I think it's gonna do a lot better. So I'm gonna get started doing that.